Have you ever wondered why Jin Xuan Tea tastes so luxuriously creamy and smooth? Jin Xuan Tea was developed in Taiwan during the 1980s to deliver a unique milky aroma and flavor when brewed properly. Its scientific name, Camellia sinensis var. Jin Xuan, reflects the cultivar's lineage and specialized breeding for enhanced flavor compounds. The natural creaminess in each cup arises from high levels of lactones and theobromine interacting with gentle oxidation. Jin Xuan leaves are lightly oxidized at around 25% to preserve floral notes while allowing buttery undertones to emerge. When steeped at about 85 degrees Celsius, the tea unfurls its pale green leaves and releases layers of orchid-like aroma and light sweetness. High-altitude farms in Taiwan's mountains provide cool, misty conditions that concentrate essential oils and deepen the tea's aromatic profile. Taiwan's diverse terroir, from coastal lowlands to mountainous slopes, influences subtle variations in aroma and flavor nuances. Many tea enthusiasts pair Jin Xuan with light pastries or fresh fruit to complement its creamy notes and enhance tasting experiences. Cold brewing Jin Xuan yields a smooth, naturally sweet infusion that highlights its delicate milkiness even when served chilled. Harvesting during spring's first flush ensures the leaves are tender and rich in flavor precursors before processing. After picking, the leaves undergo withering and gentle rolling to bruise cell walls and stimulate flavor development. A brief oxidation period enriches complexity without overpowering the tea's inherent freshness or compromising its characteristic pale hue. Low-temperature drying techniques lock in the tea's aroma while preserving its delicate color and smooth texture. The resulting dry leaves feature a twisted shape that indicates careful handling by skilled tea artisans. Brewing Jin Xuan becomes a sensory journey, balancing aroma, taste, and mouthfeel in perfect harmony. Its naturally sweet, creamy profile makes it an ideal introduction for both new tea drinkers and seasoned connoisseurs. Compared to heavier oolongs, Jin Xuan's lighter oxidation and signature milky notes set it apart in tea tastings. Beyond flavor, Jin Xuan offers antioxidants and amino acids that deliver gentle energy and support overall wellness. Experimenting with multiple infusions reveals new dimensions of flavor, with each steep yielding subtle shifts in aroma and taste. Understanding these qualities will empower you to appreciate Jin Xuan Tea's unique elegance and share its story with others. This exploration of cultivar, processing, and sensory appeal deepens your connection with every creamy sip of Jin Xuan Tea. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Jin Xuan Tea, please subscribe to our channel and comment with your favorite brewing tip.